What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new 100% honest famous slime shop review. This time we are reviewing Snoop Slimes and Lazy Slimes, so I am really excited. Also, I just quickly wanted to mention that my slime shop is restocked, so if you want some iconic clay slimes and if you even want the chance to win a free 32-ounce slime, make sure you head over to www.unicornslime.com. It is on your screen right there and down in the description box below. The two largest orders this week are going to be getting a free 32-ounce. Alrighty y'all, I'm really excited to show you all the slime, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so first up is the DIY slime snow cone kit from Lazy Slime. This is so iconic and I was just so drawn to this when I saw it at Slime Pop. I actually picked up all the slimes that you're going to be watching in today's video from Slime Pop, so shout out to Slime Pop Austin. It was such a fun event. But yeah, this is a DIY slime snow cone kit. It's super fun and interactive. So it basically comes with a snow fizz slime that is supposed to be representing the snow cone itself, and then 3 little clear slimes that are going to be representing the snow cone syrup, and you get to like arrange it however you want it, and it's just super fun, interactive, and super cool. I really loved the clarity of the little clear slimes, and I thought it was so adorable to put them in the little heart containers. I just really loved the presentation overall, and the slime texture itself was amazing. I even added in all of the clear slime afterwards, and it was just super fun to play with. Next up, we have 3 slimes from the icon herself, Snoop Slimes. I was so excited to meet Jay, you have no idea, I was fangirling. This first slime is called Great Bubble, and it has some pom-poms in it which are super squishy, and I really loved the texture of this overall. It also had a little bit of leaves in there for added look and presentation. The slime was so clear and just so beautiful. The next one up was my personal favorite. It's called Pegasus Egg, and it has like this magenta foil in it. It's just so beautiful, and a bunch of those little pearls that make it look like little eggs from a Pegasus, and it was just so beautiful. I loved it. Super clear. And lastly, we have a snow fizz called Frozen Mermaid from Snoop Slimes. I loved this one so much. The texture was amazing. The color was beautiful. And to me, it smelled like old school Skittles bubblegum. I don't know if that was the scent, but that's what I was getting. Alrighty, y'all, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes were your favorite. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!